Stately three-sided brick two-story home on partially finished full basement in the Apalachee River Club Swim tennis community. Home features two-story entrance foyer, elegant formal dining room with tray ceiling and wainscoting. Kitchen with Corian counters, tile backsplash, large breakfast area with bay window. Two-story family room with brick fireplace, master bedroom with double tray ceiling, master bath with double sink, whirlpool tub and walk-in closet. Large laundry room, hardwoods, tile and carpet. Newer roof and air conditioner, new exterior paint, tons of storage and much more.